G'day guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we break down the charts every single week. So if you like money and you like crypto, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get into the video. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the overall crypto market and where I think we're going from here. Now, as you can see by these crypto bubbles, the market has been getting absolutely smashed over the last week and over the last month, with Bitcoin hitting some local lows in price. But is this something to be concerned about? And where are we going from here? Have we bottomed in price? Well, I'm going to take a look at all of that stuff for you guys. Now, the first thing I do want to point out, guys, is even though on the monthly and weekly time frames, these cryptos have gone smash, keep in mind that over the last year, all of these cryptos are up massively in profit. So we always want to zoom out in times of fear and look at the bigger picture. But what I do want to point out is if we take a look at the fear and greed index, we've actually hit a 26, which is probably the lowest score we've actually hit since back in August, September of 2023. This is the lowest we've been, and the market has not been fearful for almost an entire year. Now, if you took profits back when we were in extreme greed, you would have sold the top. And that's typically the best time to sell when the market's greedy. And the best time to buy is when the market's fearful. And this is the first time that we've truly felt that fear in the market in a long time. And this is the time to be accumulating and to be loading up your bags. And if you're someone that's new to crypto or you just haven't been able to get the bags that you wanted at these cheap prices, this is a great opportunity. But are we going a bit lower or have we bottomed? Well, let's take a look at the charts, guys. So we're looking at Bitcoin because Bitcoin is a market leader and the whole market follows what Bitcoin does. So pretty much since March of this year, we've actually been trading within this sideways zone here, bouncing from the lows to the highs and back down to the lows. And we've pretty much been ranging in this sideways zone. Now, what just happened? Well, we actually broke below this key level of support, which was my blue box here. Now, the question is, have we bottomed here or are we going to go lower? Well, we can have a look at some key things. Now, if we turn up the volume on the chart, we can actually see that we bounced just above this high volume node here, which is in line with this little cluster of support. Now, if we were to lose this level of support here, which is around this high volume node, you can see that there's not a lot of volume in this area here, which means if we were to lose this area here, then we're likely going to fall to the next high volume node, which is around here, which is around that $43,000 range, which actually lines up with this area of price action down here. Now, do I think we're going to go lower? Well, we do have that possibility, but we are seeing some bullish signs on the chart. And the first thing that I want to point out is we are looking like we're about to print a bullish divergence. And this is where the price action is actually making lower lows, but the momentum waves are actually making higher highs. And even though this green dot hasn't confirmed, it is looking like it is about to print very soon. Now, this normally indicates a change of momentum in the market and is probably one of the strongest indicators you can actually look for a change of trend. So if this bullish divergence was to give us that move up, we could get back into this value area here, which we have been trading in. And if we were to get back into this value area, then it would be more likely than not that we would come and revisit the highs of these ranges. As well, just having a look at our Bollinger Bands, we can see that we are massively outside our Bollinger Bands, and it is looking like we are more likely to get a move up from this point, because normally when you get to the edges of these Bollinger Bands, you always see a strong move up, and the same when you get to the top of these Bollinger Bands is when you actually typically see a move down. So I do think it is a high possibility that we have actually bottomed in the market and that this is actually going to be one of your best buying opportunities to buy now while these cryptos are on a discount. Because while Bitcoin has only gone down, if we measure from the top, Bitcoin went down a total of about 27%. A lot of these altcoins are actually down more than 50% right now. And this is a great opportunity to be able to buy, because what you have to understand, guys, is this is when generational wealth is made, by buying when there's fear in the market. Do we believe Bitcoin's going to hit over $100,000 this bull run? Yes, we do. So why are you not buying quality altcoins when they're on a discount? The most famous investor of all time, Warren Buffett, he had this famous quote: "Be greedy when others are fearful, and fearful when others are greedy." There's so much fear in the market. This is the time to be buying. I'm literally putting all of my free money into crypto right now. Everything I have, and I'm doubling down all of my positions. If you just want to become wealthy and make a lot of money, this is the time to double down. We've literally got an Ethereum ETF that's about to go live literally any day now. This is not the time to be scared. This is the time to double down and to make life-changing money, because this is a great opportunity and you don't want to miss out on this opportunity. Also, as well, guys, when we zoom out on some bigger time frames, we can actually see that the RSI is currently in oversold territory. Now, the last time the RSI was this low on the chart was actually back here in August of 2023. Well, what happened since that point? Well, since August of 2023, this is when we actually got a massive run up in price, and we actually saw a move equivalent to almost 200%. So it wouldn't surprise me if we do actually see a similar type of move coming from these oversold levels as the RSI does start to move back up. Wouldn't surprise me if we get a massive run up in price into price discovery towards that 100K level. And as well, guys, when we zoom out and we take a look at the weekly chart, we can actually see that since pretty much 2023, we've just been in a massive uptrend, and corrections are healthy in the market, especially when you get such parabolic price action. Now, we can see a very clear Elliott wave structure here as well, and I'm just going to map that one out for you guys. So we can see a very clear wave 1, then we've got a wave 2 correction, followed by a wave 3, and now we're currently experiencing our wave 4 correction. Now, whether we bottom here or we do come a little bit lower for that wave 4, it doesn't matter in the long-term thing, because at the end of the day, we're going to get that wave 5, which is going to be our blow off top, which is going to put us over 100 to potentially even 150K for Bitcoin. And this is where our altcoins are going to go absolutely crazy, and we're going to make life-changing money by investing early and investing during peak fear, because this is the time to be buying, guys. But besides that, that's pretty much all I've got for today's video, guys. If you liked that video, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you're interested in some one-on-one coaching to build a portfolio and take advantage of these cheap prices, message me on either Instagram or Twitter. And if you'd like to purchase my top 10 picks for 2024, message me as well and I'll get that one to you guys. But besides that, I hope you have a wonderful day. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.